Hello students, welcome to another video of History Today. In my history series, we were discussing about the Delhi Sultanate and we have discussed about the 4 dynasties of Delhi Sultanate. Today we will discuss about the last dynasty of Delhi Sultanate, that is the Lodi dynasty. And who established Lodi dynasty? The Bahlol Lodi established the Lodi dynasty in 1451. When the last king of the Sayyid dynasty, who was named as Alam Shah, left his throne in the favor of Bahlol Lodi, the Lodi dynasty was established. Previously, Bahlol Lodi was the Afghan Sardar and he was established in the Punjab region. But after the collapse of the Sayyid dynasty, he was established in Delhi Sultanate as the ruler of Delhi Sultanate and ruled till 1488. After his demise, his son Sikandar Lodi became the emperor of the Lodi dynasty and he ruled from 1489 to 1517, and he was the son of Bahlol Lodi. He conquered Bihar region and the western part of the Bengal and shifted his capital from Delhi to Agra. He was the emperor who found the city of Agra and he was an anti-Hindu person. That's why he destroyed sacred images of Jwalamukhi temple at Nagarkot. Also, he ordered to destroy the temples of the Mathura. So, he destroyed many idols, many temples and many images of the gods and goddesses. And he was a poet and composed poems in the Persian language with a pen named Gulrukhi, and he was interested in the development of agriculture. And after him, his son Ibrahim Lodi became the next emperor of the Delhi Sultanate as well as the Lodi dynasty. But he was the last emperor of Delhi Sultanate, also the last emperor of Delhi Sultanate, and also the last emperor of Lodi dynasty. And the kings of the Lodi dynasty were very repressive in nature, and due to their individualistic tendency, their power weakened. Their nobles, their own court nobles, turned against them, and one of his nobles, named Daulat Khan, who was the governor of the Punjab region, invited Babur to overthrow the Ibrahim Lodi. He invited Babur from Kabul to overthrow the Ibrahim Lodi, and Babur came, and there was a battle named First Battle of Panipat, in which the Ibrahim Lodi was defeated as well as killed. And in 1526, it was the end of the Lodi dynasty, also Delhi Sultanate. And after that, Babur established the Mughal Empire in India. And this is all about the Delhi Sultanate rule in India, and we will discuss about the cultural and the administrative developments during the Delhi Sultanate in my next video, and after that we will start the Mughal Empire. This is all for today. Thank you.